I think some lawyers look at nursing home litigation as just another form of injury. Nothing could be further from the truth. Nursing home litigation is very complex, and it requires a lot of experience and a lot of knowledge about how the geriatric population is affected by certain medical conditions, but also how they are affected by the institutional aspects of being in a nursing home, what the staffing levels are of the facility. Are the corporate owners of the facility spending enough money on the therapies and the other services that they're supposed to provide in order for the patient to be getting what they need? If a family member suspects abuse and neglect, and the incident of neglect is not too significant, and you need to talk to the people there, use your common sense and try and work out a deal. If there are more bothersome things going on, if there are a lot of falls, if somebody has fallen out of bed or fallen in the bathroom and suffered a fractured hip, if a person is getting pressure ulcers because they're not being turned and repositioned enough, if a person does not get the right medication at the right time and the right dose, those are all concerns that are significant and may warrant a higher level of investigation, such as calling the Department of Health and Human Services, who can investigate the facility to try and figure out what's going on there and see if there's a problem that can be resolved. But a lot of times, the only answer and the only way for the family to get answers as to what happened is to hire a lawyer who can dig into that kind of thing. An experienced lawyer in nursing home litigation is going to know how the facility operates, what's driving them financially, and ultimately, most importantly, how does that financial motivation impact patient care, because that's where we need to draw the line.